Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will learn about how we can generate random binary numbers within the Logisim. Here you can see that we have a built-in block offered by the Logisim, and that is called as the random generator. You can drag it out. It is a very small block in which there is just one input that is just enable, but we cannot set this properly an input. Okay, so yeah, the one is the clear input or clear pin, one is the clock pulse pin, and one is the output. It will just do one thing. It will just generate random binary numbers on rising edge of the clock. That when the clock changes from 0 to 1, it is going to produce the 8-bit binary numbers on its output. Okay, now we need to take the okay this to the okay now we have attached the logic probe of 8-bit to the output of the this Q bar. Okay, so okay, like this, and now we need to take two logic inputs. One is with the clock, okay, and one is with the what's called is the enable. Okay, so when enable is 1, so on every positive clock pulse or rising edge of the clock, that is the transition from 0 to 1, we will get any sort of random number. Okay, like any random number, it is generated randomly. Okay, so now you can see that there isn't any sort of number. Why it is so? Because we did not send 1 on the enable pin. Now enable is 1. Now when we will make the clock 0, and when we will make it 1, now you can see that we got our number. Now again we will make it 0 and 1, and then we got a random number. They are unbiased and totally generated by some random phenomenon. Again this and this. And if you want to generate these numbers on their own, so you can use one thing, and that is called as the built-in clock offered by the Logisim. So we can go to wiring, we can take this clock like this. Okay, and okay, so we can click on simulate and ticks enable. Now you can see that our clock is giving pulses high and low. So from 1 to 0, it is not going to give any sort of random number, but on from 0 to 1, it is generating some random number of 8-bit. So hopefully you got the concept that how we can use the or how we can create random numbers on the Logisim. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for visiting our channel.